Aloha! Thank you for joining me on this video today, coming from my workshop at If the Shoe Fits Maui, I Am Island, the island's only shoe cobbler. In this video today, I'll be showing you a before and an after of a client's preferred shoe restoration. So this client, who manages one of the big ranches here on the island, really was looking for a boot that had a long leg like this. He's a real rancher. He's on his horse all the time. And so we really couldn't find one that I couldn't sell one to him retail. So I ended up saying, hey, just bring your boot in. Let's take a look at it. And it was pretty destroyed. So really excited. I ended up putting on, it probably has 3 layers of conditioner on it. It's got, I had to treat this upper first. So I did 3 layers of conditioner. I did the cream polish. I did the wax polish. I went through and did another cream polish. But the most important thing was building up the texture in this leather. It was super dry. It was so dry that I was afraid. I had to actually condition the wood layers in the heel. I had to condition the real welt that was on the original welt. I didn't want anything to crumble once I pierced it with either a knife or my nippers. So anyway, this is this lovely boot. And I did, and it even was so unusual. It has this really wide footbed, and he had just wore it into his perfect boot, and it was just worn for his foot. So I didn't want to destroy that and make the boot too tight on him. So I tried to keep the integrity of the original sole. You know, it does kind of curl up, but that's how he wears it. They have this natural bend that he's got on it. So, you know, we don't want to change those things. That's why they love it, and it's their favorite boot. I also did some trim paint on the detailing. I went over some of the edges where the leather had rubbed away, and including the piping down the sides. The hand touched that with some paint. And yeah, I think they really turned out fantastic. I polished the uppers with a neutral because, you know, it's got this kind of faded green color and I like it. If I did my own green, it might, you know, make it too dark or too, I don't know, too vibrant. And so I'm really excited to get that back to the client, and I just wanted to show you guys the fun things you can do. And on top of that, I always tell people this is my favorite conditioner in the world. I've always used them on makeovers, on any of these big restorative projects that I do. And it's the Boot and Shoe Leather Lotion by Cadillac. Fantastic product. You can get it on my Amazon shopping cart, which I'll put a link here for you. And then I also used, of course, my traditional money's worth shoe polish, the Lincoln stain wax, and also, of course, I used some ink edging and things like that. But those 3 products really are restoring this guy's boot. So very excited to turn him over to him, but I had to show you guys today. And again, thank you for those of you that have subscribed. We are almost at 10,000 viewers or subscribers. So thank you so much for supporting me all these years. I am so grateful, and I think about you all the time. Coming from you to you from Maui, aloha.